I've been doing affiliate marketing for the last 3.5 years, so I know the dozens of affiliate networks that bring that sweet, stinky cheddar. So in this video, I'm covering my 7 favorite affiliate networks to help you grow your affiliate marketing business and make a lot of passive income. Starting at number 7, we have ShareASale. So this affiliate network is popular because it's the best all-around affiliate network for beginners. So while they do have some digital partnerships, a good amount of this is physical products. So you could build out a fairly large online store with real tangible products in just about any niche. And what I like about them is you have access to over 4,500 different merchants to choose from, meaning it's virtually impossible to not find something in your category that you can sell from your website. And some of the biggest brands on here are things like Zen Business, Reebok, Minted, Bodybuilding.com, and Shein. Now, finding products to promote is fairly easy. All you do is search and you'll likely find something in your niche. So for example, I could search for something like camping and hiking. I get around 2,400 products in this category. Generally, the commission rates are going to vary depending on the merchants, but you'll find anywhere from 1 to 20% commission per sale or higher. Next up at number 6 is Amazon Associates, which is great because it's accessible to nearly everyone. So Amazon is one of the most popular affiliate networks because you can find almost anything you want on their site. Technically, it's its own affiliate program. It's not a network, but whatever. It's also one of the most popular apps people use to shop daily with over 98 million users every month and 150 million Prime subscribers. Now, when you join Amazon's affiliate program, you earn a commission on just about anything that's sold on Amazon.
Try it yourself.
What's even better is you can earn a commission on every new product that you refer a customer to within a 24-hour duration period, also known as a cookie. So a cookie is a piece of tracking data on a website used to monitor this user behavior, and a cookie is associated with an IP address that helps you track the activity of somebody online. For example, if you link to something super cool, like Spider-Man bed sheets, and you're linked for the Spidey gear, they click that, but they end up purchasing a $2,000 TV instead, you can get commissions on that too. But the downfall of Amazon is that you get this cookie, it only lasts sometimes on their browser or for 24 hours. So if they don't purchase within that time frame, then you don't get credit for the sale. This is a very short cookie duration compared to most affiliate programs. The only exception is if they add that product to their cart within the 24-hour window, it extends the cookie. So for big purchases like that $2,000 TV, they might need to mull it over for a few days, make sure it's okay with the wife first, check in, make sure you can buy this stuff.
You what?
You check the Amazon bill. But you can get a fat commission check from this. There are some downsides to Amazon though. So they've known to slash their commission rates to very little, almost nothing, virtually destroying people's businesses overnight. So for example, in April 2020, Amazon decided to drop commission rates from like 8% down to 3% in the furniture and home improvement categories. So I wouldn't recommend, making Amazon your only option for an affiliate network. You start with it. If you have a ton of physical products, you join it, but then you pivot to the individual brand affiliate programs outside of Amazon, which is why it's number 6 on our list. Now, number 5 is FlexOffers. I like this one because they assign every publisher a dedicated account manager, which is pretty cool because they can help you, make recommendations and tell you which affiliate programs to join based on your niche. They've also been around for 15 years, so you don't need to worry about them going out of business anytime soon. They've got over 12,000 merchants with both digital and physical products across a bunch of different niches. And the minimum payout is $50, which is nice because you don't have to wait too long to get your first check. So some of the top brands on here are Netflix, Superdry, Marshalls, Ulta, The Body Shop, and Sierra. The cookie duration and commissions will vary depending on the particular merchant you sign up with. So next on the list is CJ, or Commission Junction. It's one of the oldest networks and one of the most popular. So they're similar to ShareASale in that they have thousands of different merchants to choose from. So to get started, you just sign up for a publisher account, then go through your dashboard, and you can apply to individual affiliate programs inside of there. So while their user interface is definitely outdated and old, somewhat difficult to use, they do have partnerships with some large brands. Think like Zappos, Wayfair, Walgreens, VRBO, Overstock, Office Depot, Nike, lots of different things. And by the way, I teach you how to build an unkillable affiliate business in my free 60-minute masterclass. Click the link in the description below and sign up for that. Now, if you've ever been interested in affiliate marketing, you most likely also heard of ClickBank. A bunch of people all these little YouTubers talk about it that make no money, but they say, go on ClickBank. It's the easiest thing to make money overnight. So it's one of the oldest affiliate networks. It started in 1998, and they offer mostly digital products like ebooks, online courses, and membership sites. So the company rose to popularity in the early 2000s when people really got into selling info products online. So any type of information that could be monetized is likely on ClickBank. Anything from dog training to weight loss supplements to workout programs to how to make your Johnson bigger. A lot of that cool stuff that some of us need.
Not so small.
Okay. Now, most information marketers love ClickBank because of the high commissions on info products and the easy checkout experience. Now, number 2 on the list is PartnerStack. Now, I love this affiliate network because I've written dozens of software reviews, and this is the network that lets me monetize those review articles easily. So think of the best affiliate marketing platform you could imagine, purely built for software. And this is it. So all the software affiliate programs I promote are in there in one convenient place. A lot of them are. And you can find a lot of opportunities on here to earn commissions from 20% to 30, 40, or even 50% monthly recurring commissions for as long as the person who purchases the software continues to use it. Now, what I love about PartnerStack too is the affiliate dashboard, because it's super easy to use. You can easily track how many sales I'm getting, where the sales are coming from, and the total commissions I make every month. You click one button, it withdraws the money. It's easy to use. And finally, without further ado, number one on the list, my number one affiliate network I recommend is Impact. So Impact also acts as a partnership network, meaning that big brands can join to gain access to affiliates and publishers. So Impact is unique that you can work directly with brands to set custom contracts, link tracking, and custom commission structures. So a lot of popular companies you've seen are on this network, like Shopify, Teachable, Vistaprint, HelloFresh, and Crypto.com. I also like Impact because it's a nice dashboard, it's easy to understand, there's good analytics tools, and it makes it easy to track your campaigns. Now, when it comes to affiliate networks, you can join as many as you want. I'm in every single one in this video, and you should, because you want some diversity in case a network cuts a partnership with a company or an affiliate program you're using suddenly slashes their commission rates. Diversification is key. Now, when one goes away, you can always have a backup to keep your income up and not going down. Now, a lot of people worry they won't get accepted to affiliate networks because they don't have any traffic when starting out. The solution then is to go build actual content and get some backlinks first. So once you have a little bit of traffic, it's actually easy to sign up for these programs and generate sales. Don't put the cart before the horse. So everything is easier with an engaged audience. So to learn more, sign up for my free masterclass. Covers exactly how to do this, and click the link below.